Hi everyone, this is Ashley with CT Unit Digitals. I am just going to do a quick tutorial to show you how to use the new flame text overlays in Photoshop. I have opened the image that I want to use. I'm going to be using the place embedded method to apply them to my image, but if you want, you can also open the file separately in Photoshop and just copy and paste them in a layer above your image. But I'm going to be using a couple of different ones, so I'm just going to use the place embedded method. And for that, I have my image open. I'm just going to go up to File and Place Embedded and navigate to the folder where all of my overlays are saved. There are numbers in here. There are different exclamations and pound sign. There are, and then the entire alphabet. There's a bonus flame in here in case you wanted to add that into your any of your images. I do also have a whole set of fire and flame overlays in my shop as well. So for this one, I thought it would be cool to add like a name right here, just kind of give it like a Halloween type vibe. So I'm just going to show a couple, I'm just going to pick a random name. I'm going to do Noah. And so these are JPEG files, so you are just going to have to come over to your blending mode and change it from normal to screen. And then you can go ahead and resize to whatever you need it to be. Okay, and then I'm just gonna keep doing that until I have all of my letters in here. I kind of want them touching to make it look a little bit more realistic. Okay, one more. Okay, and I'm going to leave it like this. I kind of want it off center just a little bit. Now, as you can see, the flames are a little bit of a different color, so I'm actually going to go ahead and I'm going to select all of my letter overlays here, and I'm going to merge them. And then you're just going to have to change, I'll have to change the ability my back to screen here. And then I'm going to add a hue saturation layer. I'm going to click this box right here to create a clipping mask, and I'm just going to slide my hue slider a little bit towards the red there and just get it until it matches the flames that were already in this image. If you want, you can change each individual to be like if you wanted a different color flame, blue flames, whatever, you can do that. But they're super simple to use. I'm excited to see what you guys do with these. If you have any questions, go ahead and send me a message. If you are a studio photographer, I would love for you to join my group on Facebook. I will link that in the description. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want more free tutorials like this one.